Hi everybody, it's Debbie here and welcome back to my crafty den. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today. It's not huge, but I had to run in for a few things and I thought I'd share them before I put them away. So I'm not gonna waste anybody's time with this. I'm just gonna jump right into it. Sorry about the crinkly paper, but I have just 2 glass items and I'm going to unwrap them. So the first thing I got was this glass bowl. It's like a vase. It's very much like the goldfish style bowl. I just think that it's really perfect for the glass snowman that I made in my ornament series. And yeah, so if you haven't seen that, go check it out. But I needed another one of these if I wanted to make a second one. And the other thing that I got was this. This is so stinking cute. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. I'm usually drink out of my Rae Dunn mugs, but I just thought this would make such a cute little mug to go on my Christmas coffee bar. So I got that. And then I grabbed some items for, excuse me, I grabbed some items for some organization in my kitchen. So I'm trying to get my fridge organized, and I found this essentials bin. It says a fridge storage bin. They have these nice little handles on the back and they line up side by side. I think they're perfect. So I got 2 of these right here, and these are the fridge soda can storage. I couldn't find any more of these in the store anywhere, so I grabbed 2 of these. And I grabbed 1 of these, and I think my condiments would fit in here nicely and then slide in and not take up as much space. So these were the only 3 bins in the whole store that I could find in this essentials set for the fridge storage ones. And I know they make more sizes, so I have to check out another Dollar Tree and see if I can find some more. Once I have enough of these, I'm going to reorganize my whole refrigerator. And then I picked up, I went down the crafting aisle and I picked up these. This is from Holiday Essentials and it's called a ribbon and trim medley. So there are, let me see if I can open this. Can I open it from the bottom? Yes, I can. Just so that you don't see that glare. They didn't have this when I was there the last time. This is just taped at the bottom. But these are just a whole there. So now you can see them really good. It's just a whole assortment of ribbons in these golds and grays. And I thought the gold and gray is perfect. It doesn't have to be for Christmas. It could be any time. And I mean, look at this one. Look at that. That would make such great trim across the top of a page or for a project. Or there's rickrack in here. And there's even a little bit of silver ribbon that goes in with the gray. But I was thinking tassels and trim, and yeah, there's just so many things that I could use this for. And so I got that one. I wish I had have looked around to see if they had it in more colors. That was the only color that I could find at the time. And the other thing that I needed was some of these chenille stems, and all I could find was the metallics again. Like that's what I had before. And all I could find was the metallics, but I was almost out, so that's okay. I grabbed, let's see if there's any more of this in here. Here, I'll do it this way. So I grabbed 3 of these cups. Now these cups are just as cute as can be. So they screw on, and they have a little rubber seal in here. And I just think they're the greatest little to-go cups. They are so cute, and they even have the rubber around the middle so that if you have something hot in here. Now, it doesn't say, it just says tumbler, and it doesn't say on here whether it's for hot or cold. I'm assuming because it's insulated and it's got this, I'm assuming that it's for hot. So I'll have to read the fine print, but it's by Greenbrier, so it is a Dollar Tree product. Yeah, there's some fine print on there I can't read, but I'm going to have to check that to see if it's PBA free. And yeah, so I got those 3. I think they'd be cute with some hot cocoa mixes in there and a little bit of marshmallows and maybe a candy cane, and wrap it up and give it to somebody for a small gift. Oh, I got one more glass item. I picked up this, just one bowl from this set. This set, look how pretty that is. So I always like to keep a bowl on my coffee bar for each season, just to drop the used coffee pods in when everybody's getting a coffee in the morning. And then I can just dump it. Usually I have to stop and take apart the coffee pods to get the grains out and then recycle the plastic bits. But yeah, so I thought that this would be a cute one to go there for Christmas. I had a really pretty Valentine one. I had one for the fall, and now I've got this winter one. So this can stay there all winter. It doesn't say Christmas on it anywhere. It just has the snowflakes. So it'll be good there all winter. What else did I get from the crafting department? Everything's coming out of this bag, but in no specific order. So I grabbed, these are the medium-sized craft sticks, 60 pieces. I grabbed 2 of those because I was almost out of those. I grabbed another tube of the multi-purpose Rapid Grip Dollar Tree brand. This is... It's like, oh, it's hard to explain. It's like a really quick grabbing, almost like an E6000. I grabbed 2 of these little mini scrapers. They're the 2-pack. And these are really great for scraping paint around windows. They're just a little razor blade on a plastic handle. And they're great for scraping paint off of windows and cleaning glass surfaces and things like that. I needed some of these little elastics. I was almost out and I needed some of those. I picked up this package of metallic cord. It's not very much. It is only 6.5 feet, but this is so pretty. And I had an idea for it. I don't know if it'll work out, but I had an idea for it, so I thought I'd grab it. Now this is a little bit, I'll do this one first. I got another one of these ornaments. I think these ornaments are darling. They're so cute, and I like the wood pieces. I grabbed 2 more. I don't know when I'll get to Dollar Tree again for a while, but I grabbed 2 more of the tape runners because it's a staple here. And I got this door ornament. This door ornament is so stinking sweet, but I'm not sure. I'm not going to use it for a door. I might take this. I might take this off, this little wreath, and use it somewhere else, or at least use this little check bow on something else. But I have an idea for this, and it's not for a project until spring, but they're not going to have this in the spring. And yeah, I just thought it was really good for what I'm hoping I can use it for. This is way off season, but you got to grab them when you can. And at Canada Day, I couldn't find Canada Day stickers that I liked. And then I went into Dollar Tree at Christmas time, and there's all this red and white stuff there, so I almost went past these. But these are Canada Day stickers, and they're 2 separate sets. There's this first one. I love this big Canada here. And then there's this one with smaller bits. I like the hockey. But yeah, these are really, really cute. So these stickers here, I was thinking could be used in the winter because there's a hot drink, the Moose. I love Canada. It doesn't have to necessarily mean Canada Day. There's this hockey sticker. What else? And these ones are pretty much Canada Day stickers. But yeah, they're just so cute. So I got them to put in my stash. And then the rest of the stuff that I got was, hold on a sec. Almost the rest of the stuff I got was clothing. I've got 2 more pieces. They had another set of the planner stickers, but this time they had the spring ones out already. Aren't these gorgeous? They're so, so pretty. The yellows and the purples. Oh my goodness. Just so gorgeous. So I can do a couple of planner spreads with these. And yeah, so for $1.25. And I picked up this. I've never seen these before, but they're called Sticky Planner Pockets. And they are just, see if I can get it open enough at the side here. They're just little pockets and they stick on. So there's 3 in a package for $1.25. And if you price this type of planner supply anywhere else, they're not $1.25. Definitely not $1.25. And they come in these 3 colors, which are really on trend. And they're 3 by 5, so they're perfect to fit in a pocket thing that I make for my traveler's notebook. That's the right size. So I have all of this stuff, and then I picked up some socks and other stuff. So I think gloves or mitts and other stuff. So I got these Canada Day socks, or not Canada Day socks, just Canada socks. I'm thinking about making some gnomes, and wouldn't this make a cute Canada Day gnome? This would make a great hat for a Canada Day gnome. And then I got these mitts. I just think that they're cute. Just Canada, it says. But they actually fit me. So, I mean, I could wear them if I want to. And they feel like wool. Like, they actually feel like wool. But, yeah, once again, I'm thinking something else for these. I picked up this little package. There's 2 pairs. Size 10 to 13, small girls socks. So, the little black pair, they have a little gray heart on them. And then I just liked this little polka dot size right here, polka dot print. And then I just picked up 2 pairs of socks. These just looked really comfortable and warm, and they're thick. And yeah, Dollar Tree gets in some really good socks. So these are just for me. So yeah, just women's socks. So that's it. That's my whole haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below in the comments if you enjoy Dollar Tree hauls and Dollarama hauls. I don't go that often, but when I do, I like to share what I've gotten. And yes, I hope you enjoyed it. So don't forget to comment and don't forget to share. If there's anything that you see here that you need, I suggest you go and get it quick if you can find it, because things right now are just going so fast. I had a friend call me like 2 days before I was at Dollar Tree and say that there were items there that I wanted. I said, I'll be down in 2 days, so, you know, you don't have to pick them up. And I wish I had got her to pick them up for me because they weren't there when I got there. So that's it. Bye-bye for now, everybody. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. And have a great day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.